And now, it's time for DJ Raqi's Secret Files. Ikaw, ikakasal na. Habang ako, hiwalay sa asawa ko due to physical abuse. Am I hurting? Because I still love you. You were the one that I dreamt of, that I prayed for, and that I let go. If I could just turn back time, I would go back to the time that you still love me. Hi, DJ Raqi, and to everyone who's listening. I'm an avid fan of your segment, and I always look forward hearing different stories of love, pain, friendship, and family. I'm excited and grateful, hoping that you will be reading mine too. Itago niyo ako sa pangalang Gia, and this is my secret file. My secret file is the best example of the hugot line, "Nasa'yo na, pinakawalan mo pa." Itago natin siya sa pangalang Arnel. High school classmates kami and rivalry sa class standings. Matinik siya. Scientist naman ako. Mysterious ang personality niya kasi hindi siya palaimik. Meron siyang ngiti na mapapatitig ka sa kanya ng matagal. Hindi man kami naging friends agad, nagkaroon kami ng chance na maging magkakampi sa mga contest outside school. Nakilala namin ang isa't isa hanggang sa naging deeper yung pagkakakilanlan namin sa isa't isa. Tumabang lang ng konti yung friendship namin dahil nagkaroon kami ng kanya-kanyang girlfriend and boyfriend. Until we graduated and reached college. Unexpectedly, same course. Nursing. Parang na-ignite uli yung feelings na hindi ko maintindihan na meron na dati nung high school kami. Pero hindi ko yun ine-entertain since kami pa rin nung boyfriend ko that time. At may bago na rin siyang girlfriend. Things turned around when we both became single. Mas madalas na kaming mag-usap through calls and text. Hindi pa uso masyado ang Facebook noon. Then one Friday, niyaya niya akong maghalo-halo kahit umuulan. Doon niya inamin yung feelings niya sa akin at doon rin siya nagpaalam na manliligaw siya. Silently, masaya ako na nag-voice out na siya kasi dati, friends niya lang nagsasabi sa akin. Pinayagan ko naman siya. Then, days went on. Okay naman. Pero, biglang huminto na lang siyang magparamdam. Yun pala, kinausap siya ng ex ko na tigilan na raw ako. Kasi, makikipagbalikan raw siya sa akin. Hindi pa kami pero na broken hearted na agad ako. So, wala akong kinausap sa kanilang dalawa. Then one day, nakiusap si Arnel na mag-usap daw kami. He said sorry and he asked for permission again. He promised he will not give me up again. 2 months ko lang siyang pinaghintay, sinagot ko na siya. Fast forward, we graduated on time at nakahanap kami agad ng trabaho. And within those 4 years of our relationship, hindi yun naging perfect. Nakailang breakups rin kami. Na lagi kong pinapangunahan at lagi siya ang sumusuyo. I'm the proud and pride one sa aming dalawa. Tiwala ako na mahal niya ako and he will do everything to win me back. At nasanay ako na ganun naman talaga yung ginagawa niya. Until May 2015, months before our 50th anniversary, naghiwalay kami. Kampante akong naghihintay ng any sign sa kanya that he misses me. I was so hurt that instead of reaching out to him, I distanced myself to him. Hanggang sa hindi niya na ako maabot. I married another man while he found his new and rightful one. I thought I was okay. Alam ko okay lang ako. Hanggang sa nakakita ako ng post sa social media that he will be soon tying the knot with his 3-year girlfriend. Ikakasal na siya. Habang ako, hiwalay sa asawa due to physical abuse. Parang piniga yung puso ko. Parang naparalyze ako nung mabasa ko yun for reasons that I cannot decipher into words. Am I hurting? Because I still love you? Yan ang tanong na hindi ko maamin-amin kahit sa sarili ko. I felt guilty of loving you kasi you are already attached to someone. But most of all, I felt helpless and hopeless because you are now decided to take the path to forever with someone else. Arnel, I wish I can say this to you personally, but I know there will be no possible way to do this. I know you are a good man, and I know that you wouldn't entertain anyone expressing feelings towards you. But I just want you to know that I really regret all the pain I've caused you. Kaya siguro kinarma ako. I'm really sorry. I tried to be your friend, pero lumalayo ka. I guess that is the right thing to do. So let me say congratulations from the bottom of my aching heart. You will be now building your dream house and family with other girl na dati rin natin ginagawa o ginawa. I wonder if you still want to have 3 kids and if you still want to live in the city. I know na wala na akong pwedeng gawin to have you again. Kasi wala naman akong karapatan na sirain kayong dalawa. Plus, I'm a married woman. I hardly pray for miracles will be upon us. But I guess it's already too late. For the past 4 years, akala ko nakalimutan na kita. Pero tinakpan ko lang pala ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo ng galit. Again, I'm really sorry. And I'm not wishing any for the 2 of us. But for the both of you to be happy. I pray you well. And God bless. This is Gia. And this is my secret vow.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Hello, kabisyo! Uy, gusto mo pa ba ng mas marami pang Secret File episodes? Ang gagawin mo lang, mag-subscribe ka na sa aming YouTube channel. It's Love Radio Manila. At pindutin mo na or i-click mo na ang notification bell para updated ka na sa aming mga latest video. Raqi Terra po, mula sa 90.7 Love Radio. Mwah!